Silver Ladies new video. This video is elegant unstitched Star Wars collections. First, lavender shade. Dupatta full lace. Beautiful Star Wars. Top pastel tones. The yoke portion lace highlighting. This is the complete view. Top bottom dupatta 1290 ready for dispatch. Next color. Next is pastel grey color. This is pastel grey and this top same. This is yoke work highlighted. This is the main highlight of dupatta. That's elegant dupatta. This price range 1290 ready for dispatch. Next is the pastel pink tone. This is the pastel pink tone. 4 sides dupatta. Our stores and the address in the description. You can visit our stores and purchase directly also. So again, pastel pink elegant colors ready for dispatch. Next is the pastel blue or a pastel green. It's a blue and a greenish tone. And this is the dupatta. Top one closer view. Top bottom dupatta. Dupatta bottom plain same color. Thank you.